GSR is a startup created to clean an ocean and climatic change in Guanabara Bay. Challenging an opportunity, Gabriel in an initiative with Rafael and Crystal to create an SG culture and development and potential of the sites Shipyard 99, Porto Velho, São Gonçalo, Leste, Fluminense. The island of Itapacis is a partner of the logistics hub GSR, Logistics Harvest. Having is a first active, the marine decommission and dismantlement is streaming the circular economy of steel. For the heavy steel industry with 11,000 tons in the needed scale, they produce the modernization of installation capacity, aligned with NETZERO of the energy transition, a certain X-force in the second active, building a high-impact Greenfield project, intermodal hub with the marine sanitation berths, new H2 supply installation, port logistics infrastructure. Focus: open innovation guarantee for the production, environment efficient, and evolve the supply chain, transshipment, distribution, marine, land, rail, pipelines, cables, energy, and communication, in the streaming of the energy saved. Our timeline in acceleration of the moment of action partnering investor to the economy, viability, and study.